Rick with the best of everything, and we're looking at a Foxon silver HK535 lightning cable. I like that silver and the coating on it. USB to A to Apple MFI certified. And blasted finish aluminum housing here on the head, and a fabric braided cable. Feels like a solid nylon. Gives it a almost snakeskin type of an appearance. If I can get that up there and stay in focus. That is pretty slick. How about we do something different? Let's take a real close look at that. My good buddies over at XcSource had some lenses on sale, and these work great. You'll have to check my video out on these lenses. Okay, don't get seasick here. I'm going to clamp this little lens on. Drop everything on the floor. Okay, that looked pretty cool. Let's see if we can get to the macro lens.